Did you start a new video?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'll show you them. Come on.
Look, he's lying down. Look at it.
Come on. I am your shepherd. Follow me.
Come on. Come on, guys. Come on.
What is wrong with you?
So what? Huh?
Come on, Jack.
Only two of them went with you.
I know.
Jack and Armageddon, they sit here like, Taito, not Taito. Casey and Armageddon over there, like, what?
This is Casey right here. She follows me.
I said, Armageddon, he's standing there like,
Armageddon and Taito standing there. Taito usually follows me, though, because he was looking at Jenny. He don't have his phone.
He said, why is this a weird human being doing?
Jenny, stop hopping around and hurting them. What do you mean?
They don't like you, like, at all. Look,
They have two vibes without you being rude.
Hi, Taito. Hi, Taito. They're a bit wild.
I deserve to be loved.
I love you.
Oh, look at Dracula playing.
Ooh, he's a bit wild.
Look, she got him in the hole, man. Look, go over there. She has it in the hole. Oh, is that he has her in the hole?
Yeah, he holds her down. Look at that.
Oh, never mind. That's Armageddon. He has him in the hole.
Who is this?
That's Casey.
They too cute. My little babies.
Look at him. Get him. Is he shot? Let go from Danny.
Listen, I love you, Taito. Come on, guys. Look at their faces like, Come on, guys.
Danny,
Get
leave
geek.
him.
I belong with you.
Stop.
You're my
She should
tribe.
be barking at him. Danny, leave him.
He wants me.
If you don't leave him alone, I'm gonna hit you with something. Move. Leave him alone.
I love you.
I'm not playing with you. Leave him alone.
Taito just wants my attention. You see him? He's begging for it.
Taito.
He wants it. You're from near me.
Taito.
Dracula, where you going, baby?
Taito.
Haha, there's a lot of leg.
He said, I'll bite your face. There you go.
There you go, Taito. Taito!
Come on, Taito.
Taito!
Mighty Taito. Bring it on.
Almighty! Bring on Taito.
Small
Bring it on, Taito.
mighty.
Dracula trying to kill everybody.
Taito just wants me.
No, because you sidetracked. You should have been barking on people long before I had to walk him down.
No, Taito loves me. Taito loves me.
Dracula's always taking a seat, man.
This is show you.
Let me just take a seat to evaluate.
Let
Let me evaluate. Let me just see
Very
what's
articulate.
He's the lightest chest, I think that's what
Yeah,
it is.
that's
Yeah.
what it is.
Because
No, you have the lightest neck, bro.
no, because Casey has the lightest neck. She has a whole ring around her neck.
No, look. You see that right
They're
there?
just really bright.
Casey.
You saw Taito's face?
Casey.
Here's look at Taito's
Casey,
face
sit
every time.
down.
Here's look at Taito's face every time I kiss him.
No, because look at Casey's neck.
He said she got him.
See,
He
look at
got
her
me.
neck. See? She got the whole neck thing. And then she got the ring that goes around.
Look at them. The
He doesn't have the ring. See, she has the ring.
and
Goes
when the
like,
light shine bright on them, they can see the demon ways.
oh my god, it's cold out here.
Let's go inside now.
Can't, they're gonna poke.
Sure, something stupid, Betty.
You stupid, Betty.
Wow. Wow. Squad.
Oh, look at them, they're so special. That is so cute.
Move it so they can get through. No, you're not. Ain't that damn special. Hmm?
They said, we know what.
Come on, babies.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on, guys.
No.
Come on, guys.
Back up.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
Squad! Back up. Back up. You're not going inside right now, damn. Oh, yeah, I'm trying to...
Ugh, it's chilly out here.
It's a bit nip, mate. It's a bit nip out here, bruv. It's frost, bruv. It's a bit.
Can you tell me a riddle?
No.
Why is the welcome mat over there? Took me up.
It's
so you
not
don't-
welcome. It's home sweet home. Something like that.
Whatever.
Nobody's welcome here. We don't have any friends. Right?
Excuse me, I do.
You're my friend.
No. I don't say I have friends.
No, I love you. Don't think I don't.
I have friends that I've never met.
We got more friends than me, dang.
Hiccup than that, Danny.
See, school people I hang out with. Look at them. Like, these are my friends.
Those are your siblings.
Same difference for him. They're dogs.
Did Armageddon use the bathroom?
Yeah.
Yeah, he did.
So did Dracula and Taito. And so did Casey.
Love you, Taito. I love you.
All four of them did. Come on, guys. We're going to sign now. Thank God.